All right, phone temperature overheated due to the weather conditions. So we had to restart the video. I will show you that everything's still the same. We removed the nails off of here. We have this tearing that was already in the other video. We stopped pulling nails here. Just in the other video, this is where we stopped. You can see where we're starting the next nail. So I will continue the video. As you can see, there's creasing along the top. Creasing caused here. We caused lots of damage. We have granule loss, tears, rips. Normally I would stop the repair, but we have to pull these two shingles to send off and to give one to you guys. So I will continue pulling these two shingles off. You can see heavy material transfer. Heavy material transfer. Delamination of the shingle. Tears. You can look here, pull down to the fiberglass on the shingles, down to the fiberglass, heavy granule loss, creasing. I would already highly recommend that this be a failed attempt. So with that being said, I will tarp it after we pull the other shingle for you guys to pick up. I would tarp it to secure the home and residence, to make sure that there are no leaks. So I'll continue with the shingle pulling the other shingle. I will set this to the side. So this is the shingle we'll be removing. Again, heavy granules in the material transfer. Creasing on the shingles. As you can see here, these shingles began to crease. Tears. This is definitely an irreparable shingle. Definitely a failed attempt. I will write down here, material transfer, yes. Crease shingles, yes. Torn shingles, yes. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tears. Caused damage to all the surrounding shingles. Heavy granule loss. So this would be a failed attempt. More creasing on the shingles here. So as I told you guys earlier, I will be tarping this to ensure that there is no leaks. So as you can see, material transfer, crease shingles, torn shingles, heavy granule loss.